In the dynamic world of IT projects, effective project management plays a crucial role in ensuring successful outcomes. But what sets a project manager apart from a program or project manager? And what certifications are needed to excel in this field? Let us start with the project manager. A project manager is responsible for overseeing individual projects within an organization. They are focused on planning, organizing, and executing specific projects to meet defined objectives, often within a specific time frame and budget. Now let us shift our attention to the program or project manager. This role involves managing multiple related projects as part of a larger program. Program or project managers are responsible for aligning projects with strategic objectives, coordinating resources across projects, and managing interdependencies and risks that arise from complex project portfolios. While both project managers and program or project managers share core project management skills, their primary difference lies in the scale and scope of their responsibilities. Now let us talk about certifications that can enhance your effectiveness as a project manager. There are several certifications that are highly regarded in the field of project management, such as the Project Management Professional as PMP certification offered by the Project Management Institute (PMI). The PMP certification demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of project management principles, best practices, and skills required to lead successful projects. Additionally, certifications such as Prince2 Agile PM and Certified Scrum Master provide specialized knowledge and methodologies for managing projects in specific contexts such as Agile or Prince2 environments. By acquiring these certifications, project managers can enhance their professional credibility, expand their skill set, and demonstrate their commitment to delivering excellence in project management. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on